And the next shooting I'm gonna be talking about, this is more like a drill. Now this drill is basically a very good drill for as making you become a better shooter, as far as like you using your head fake shot, your pull-up shot, your jump shot, even, you can be using your set shot, you can be shooting your free throws. And basically this is a good shoot drill because it's gonna make you an overall better shooter. It's gonna make you better. I'll make you a better efficient shooter. And when you're doing these drills, you wanna kinda make sure that you do these drills kinda every day to keep your repetitious. Or, and you can shoot these shots. It can be 5 shot repetitions, but make sure you shoot 5 shots in one spot and go to the next shot. But make sure you shooting that same shot, as far as getting used to that shot in that same spot. It could be 5 shots of free throws. Okay, you shoot 5 shots of free throws. Then if you want to shoot 5 shots of jump shots, you shoot 5 shots of jump shots. But you keep moving. You keep moving because you're going to be doing a whole lot of moving during the game.